Good morning students. Today we are going to solve question number 4 of exercise 9.1 of chapter 9. Question number 4 is having 4 parts A, B, C and D. Like we have solved question number 3, here we have to subtract the two algebraic expressions. So let us start. Part A says subtract this algebraic expression from the other. If they have given from this, that means you are supposed to write this first and then minus this expression. Okay, so first I am writing this 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 in one bracket, and then subtracting this from this 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. I will not forget to close the bracket first, because if I will not close the bracket, the signs will remain the same and your answer will be wrong. Now opening the bracket, 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3, this is plus and this is minus, so multiplying minus into plus will become minus, minus into minus will become plus 7ab, minus into plus minus 3b, minus into plus will be minus 12. Now taking like terms together, you can write like this also, 12a and this minus 4a together and then subtract, or you can directly also do minus 9ab, and if there is any other ab, yes, it is 7ab, then 5b minus 3b, then minus 3, and here it is minus 12, plus 12a minus 4. 12 minus 4 will give me 8 and a, minus 9 and plus 7. Here negative sign is greater, so we will subtract and keep the bigger sign, that is minus. 9 minus 2 is 2, sorry, 9 minus 7 is 2 ab. Now plus and minus, clearly plus sign, the value of plus sign is greater, so we will keep plus sign and subtract the numbers. 5 minus 3, 2. Now this is minus 3 and minus 12. We will add them and keep the same sign. 3 plus 12, 15. So this is how we calculate, but here I have forgotten, it is 2b. 5b minus 3b will give me 2b. So this is our answer. Look, coming to the part B. So part B says subtract, same as above, subtract one number from the other. If they are telling us subtract one number from other, that from number will be our first number, so we will write this one. If they are telling subtract one and the other, then you can subtract directly, but here they have told from this number, so we will write that number first. 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. If you don't keep this in bracket, it is okay, but the next number you are supposed to keep in bracket, minus 7zx. If you don't want to keep in bracket, change the sign directly. 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz, minus into plus will become minus 3xy, minus into plus will become minus 5yz, minus into minus will become plus 7zx. Now I will solve directly without taking the like terms together. I will see 5xy and I will look for other xy term. Here it is xy. So 5xy it is plus minus 3xy. 5 minus 3 will give me 2, which is plus 2xy. Now minus 2yz, I will look other term for yz. Minus 2, and this is also minus 2 and minus 5 yz. So I will keep the same sign and add them. So I will get 7 yz. Now coming to next term, minus 2zx, and here we are having 7zx. Here greater value is of plus, so I will keep plus and then subtract the numbers. 2 minus 7 will give me 5. 7 minus 2 will give me 5zx, but I will keep the positive sign because the value of positive sign is greater. And then the last number, which is 10xyz. There is no other like term for plus 10xyz. So this was all for part B. Part B we have finished. This is the answer. No further calculation because all the terms are unlike terms. Now moving to part C. This is the last part of this question number 4. Again they have told one expression, they have given algebraic expression, and we have to subtract that algebraic expression from the other. So we will write, because it is they have told from, so we will write the second expression first. Minus 18p minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. This will remain in one bracket, and then minus, I will write the other term, that is 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10, and then close the bracket. Now we will open the bracket. 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q, minus into plus will be minus p square q, minus into minus will be plus 3pq, minus into plus will be minus 5pq square, minus into minus will be plus 8p, minus into plus minus 7q, minus into minus will be plus 10. Bigger expressions, so little carefully. 18, here I am having 18, the constant number. I will look for the other constant number, and that I am having 10. Both are in positive signs, so it will become 28. Now minus 3p, I will look for the other term which is having p, only p. Here you can see plus 8p and minus 3p. Positive sign is greater, so I will keep positive sign and then subtract. 8 minus 3 is 5p. Minus 11q, minus 11q, and then I will look for the q term. Here it is minus 7. Both are having the same sign, so we will add them and keep the negative sign. 11 plus 7 is 18, so I will get minus 18q. Again plus 5pq, looking for the pq term. Here it is having 3pq. Both are having the plus sign, so we will keep plus sign and add them. We will get 8pq. Then minus 2pq square. We are supposed to see p and q square, so pq square. Here it is, so minus 2 and minus 5. Both are having same sign, so I will place minus and add them, so I will get 7pq square. Now moving to this number 5 p square q. I will look for the same term. It is p square q. So 5 minus 4. Again plus sign is greater, so I will keep plus sign. 5 minus 4 is 1, but we can write p square q. 1 is only 1, so it is okay to write p square q. Now look further if we have not taken anything already taken. So this is our answer. 28 plus 5p plus 8 minus 18q plus 8pq minus 7pq square plus p square q. This will be our answer. If we place them in the increasing order, then we can arrange. Okay, if the 20th term is at the last, it is okay. If the p square q is in the first term, it is okay, but this will be your answer. The terms can be placed anywhere. So this was all for question number 4. It was having 3 parts. We have finished all the 3 parts. Hope you have understood. If not, please go through it once more. We will meet with new video. We will meet with new lecture in new video. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.